You slowly open your eyes, expecting another ordinary morning, but something feels different. Before you even reach for your phone, a glowing notification suddenly appears inside your mind. There is no screen, no speaker, and no device in sight. A calm digital voice welcomes you and says, "BrainNet connection established. Synchronization complete." Within seconds, you realize your brain is no longer separate from the internet. Every thought feels faster, every memory feels sharper, and your entire world has changed before you've even left your bed. Still confused, you test your new ability. You silently ask yourself, "What is the deepest ocean on Earth?" Before you can even finish the question, the answer instantly appears inside your mind. You try another question, then another, and another. Every answer arrives immediately, complete with images, videos, maps, and explanations. There is no typing, no searching, and no waiting. Human knowledge is now only a thought away. You begin to wonder if schools, libraries, and even search engines have become completely unnecessary. Without warning, another notification appears in your vision. BrainNet system update available. Before you have time to react, the installation begins automatically. New information starts flowing into your mind at incredible speed. Suddenly, you understand languages you've never studied. You recognize complex scientific formulas you've never seen before. It feels as though someone has downloaded years of education into your brain within a few seconds. Instead of learning information, people now install it like software updates. As you step outside, something strange catches your attention. People are walking past each other without saying a single word. Yet everyone is smiling, laughing, and reacting as if they're having full conversations. You try speaking to someone, but they simply look at you, before responding directly inside your mind. For the first time, you experience silent communication through BrainNet. Emotions, ideas, and entire conversations are shared instantly without moving your lips. Language barriers have disappeared, and misunderstandings are becoming a thing of the past. 3-1. Curious about the limits of this technology, you visit a public BrainNet learning center. Inside, people are downloading new abilities as easily as installing an app on their phones. One person becomes fluent in 5 languages within minutes. Another downloads advanced engineering knowledge before starting work. Nearby, a young musician installs piano skills and immediately performs a beautiful concert without ever taking a lesson. Watching this happen, you begin asking yourself one important question. If knowledge can simply be downloaded, what does it truly mean to learn? The workplace has transformed just as dramatically. Companies no longer spend months training new employees. On your first day, your employer simply uploads every skill needed for the job directly into your brain. Doctors download the latest medical procedures overnight. Pilots receive aircraft updates while they sleep. Promotions are no longer based on experience but on the newest software installed inside your mind. The line between human intelligence and technology is beginning to disappear. Memories can now be shared with other people. Your friend sends you a memory of climbing Mount Everest. Suddenly, you experience the freezing wind, the breathtaking view, and the excitement of reaching the summit as though you were there yourself. Another person shares childhood memories filled with laughter and family moments. People no longer tell stories, they let others live them. Vacations, concerts, weddings, and life-changing experiences can all be transferred from one mind to another with a single thought. Just as the world seems perfect, emergency alerts suddenly appear inside everyone's minds. A dangerous group of hackers has discovered how to break into BrainNet. Instead of stealing passwords or bank accounts, they are stealing thoughts, memories, and personal identities. Panic spreads across the city as people begin questioning whether the memories inside their own minds truly belong to them. The safest place in the world, your own brain, has suddenly become vulnerable to cybercrime. As the BrainNet crisis grows worse, hackers continue stealing memories while governments struggle to secure the network. Millions disconnect their minds, but living offline means losing instant knowledge, silent communication, and access to the technology that powers everyday life. Humanity is now divided between those who embrace a connected future and those who choose freedom over convenience. If BrainNet became real tomorrow, would you connect your brain to the internet for unlimited knowledge?